Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This day in this video we're going to learn this song with lifted hands. So the title is Here on Our Knees. Yeah, one by One Small Six. Yeah. So we are going to take it step by step. We'll start with the chords. We are going to use simple chords in this tutorial as well. So I'll be using D. My capo is on the second fret, and we are using the C shape that will give us the D. With lifted hands, so C, F, then D minor, A minor, G, C. Once again, C with lifted, F, D minor, A minor, G, C. With lifted hands, we worship you. With lifted hands, we worship you. So the next one we are going to study I think the here on our knees follows the same way. So here on our knees, we worship you. Here on our knees, oh, we worship you. So that we bow before you. We bow, no. We bow before you. We honor you with lifted hands. We worship. So we are learning it together. So we bow. We bow before. We bow before you. I think the G does it. We bow before you. We honor you here on our knees. We worship you. So let's take it again. We bow before you. We bow before you. Okay, so we play the G first. We bow before you. We honor you with lifted hands. We worship you. Let's take it again. We bow before you. So we take the G, we bow before then C, then the same G, we honor you with lifted F, D minor, A minor, G, C. Yeah, I think I struggled a little bit, but yeah, thanks for watching this video this far, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe to this channel, and share as well. Thank you. See you next time.